Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to make your avatar character in Roblox short. So if you want to make your avatar character look smaller or shorter, how can you do that? So just follow me in this video till the end and you will be able to successfully uh, make your character or avatar shorter. So So guys, before starting, if you're new on channel, you can consider subscribing my channel, like my video and share with your friends. So let's start. First of all, head over to any browser. So I will recommend you to use Chrome browser. So because of its interface, now you have to go to roblox.com. You can do it. You can do this on your mobile as well. So you just need to open your application, Roblox application on your phone, and go to Avatar. When you reach Avatar, or when you open the Avatar section or the page of Avatar, now you just need to go to your head and body and just keep hovering on this tab and just click on this scale option. Now, so if you want to make your avatar shorter, what do you need to do? If you want to make your avatar shorter, definitely you want to reduce its height. So just need to reduce or scale it down to 0, and you can see that it becomes shorter as compared to before. And if you want to reduce its width, then you can also scale it down to 0, but the greater width will look shorter. So you keep your width to 0, 100%, and you can also reduce or scale it down your face to 0 or 95%. And now you can see that your avatar looks a bit shorter compared to before. And now you can open your character and I can exit this game. So where is that option? Yeah, I can leave it. And I want to play this game again, and you will see that my character will look a bit shorter as compared to before. I just need to make sure that I need to first of all vote for the games that I want to play. So I'm gonna play this game, Super Slide. So now you can see that this is my character, and I think I forgot to save it. Is there any save option? So now we can play our game with our shorter character. So let me